Hello friends, welcome back to Pathshala. In today's session, we will going to discuss different kinds of sensory receptors that we have or that animals have in their body. So there are different kinds of sensory receptors that lies beneath different kind of sense organs to respond against different or specific kind of stimuli. So the first one or the first kind of sensory receptor is the photoreceptor. The photoreceptors are situated in our eye. Eye is one of our sense organs, so photoreceptors are situated in our eye to detect light impulses or light stimuli, and it or for the formation of the images that we show with our eye. So the photoreceptor are situated in our eye to detect light for the information of processing the images. Next we have the phonoreceptor. Second one, the second kind of receptor we have is the phonoreceptor. So we have the phonoreceptor in our inner ear portion, and this specific kind of phonoreceptor helps to detect various kind of sound. So the phonoreceptors are situated in our inner ear and helps to detect specific kind of sound. Next we have another uh, receptor in our inner ear, and that is known as statoreceptor. So third one is the statoreceptor. So the statoreceptors are situated in our and inner ear, and that detects or that process the information and help for maintaining the equilibrium position of our body. So the statoreceptors are those kind of receptors which are situated in our inner ear and helps to maintain our equilibrium position of the body. Next, we have fourth kind of receptor in our body, that is known as gastatoreceptor. Gastatoreceptor in our body. So the gastatoreceptors are located in our tongue, especially beneath our taste bud. We have taste buds in our tongue. So the beneath the taste buds and some other parts of the buccal cavity, we have the gastatoreceptor, and this gastatoreceptor specifically in tongue, and this uh, tongue and this kind of gastatoreceptor helps to detect the taste of various food material or various items. So gastatoreceptors help to detect taste, and these receptors are situated beneath the taste buds. Now come to the fifth receptor. So the fifth kind of receptor is the thermoreceptor. Thermoreceptors. So the thermoreceptors are situated beneath our skin and these thermoreceptors help to detect the heat or coldness of the environment. So the thermoreceptors are situated in skin, beneath the skin, and it helps to detect hot and cold temperature or cold environment. Now let us come to the next receptor, that is sixth one, that is tango receptor. Tango receptor. Tango receptors are also located beneath the skin, and these tango receptors help to detect the touch sensation. The touch sensation means if someone touches us, or if we touch a specific kind of material, then this touch sensation will processed by the tango receptors that are situated beneath the skin portion of our body. Next one, the seventh one is the olfactoreceptors. Olfactoreceptors are situated in our nose or nasal cavity, and these help to detect the specific kind of smell or different kinds of odor that we take. So olfactoreceptors situated in nasal cavity or nose, and these kind of receptors help to detect the smell sensation. And the last one, last sensation is pain and pressure receptor. So pain and pressure receptors are located in our deeper skin, not in the superficial skin area. So these are the touch sensation, the thermoreceptors and the tangoreceptors are actually located in our superficial skin area, but the pain and the pressure receptors are situated in the deeper skin portion, and this helps to detect the pain and pressure stimuli. So basically these kind of pain and pressure stimuli are situated in the deeper skin area surrounding the or the beside the muscle portion. So this so the pain and pressure receptors are help to detect the pain and pressure that we have in our body cells, different kind of body muscles, sorry. So these are the 8 kind of sensory receptors. You can take the screenshot also. So these are the 8 different kinds of sensory receptors that we have in our body to respond against different kinds of stimuli, uh, so that we can perform different kinds of specific kinds of reactions against those stimuli. So thank you so much for today's session.